Oh man, I love being on my own couch. So good. What? Oh yeah, you are not gonna be safe. Sharky! Oh yeah, Sharky. You can swim into my kiln. Heck yeah! Oh, guys, spare. You stole our couch, and you think we will spare? Oh, you're such a dumbo. I thought boys were smarter than this. I didn't know there were dumbos like you. Yeah, this couch is ours. I'm sorry, man. I just my couch is only probably because you're just stealing it. You know what? I had enough. Sharky had enough. Well, he's dead. Yep, he did. So, cat group, we're done with this. This couch is ours. Yay! One question. Are we going to be able to sit on this couch? Well, duh, because it's not ours now. As you can see, he just killed him. Yeah, it's ours now, so it's no time to react. Let's just steal this. Heck yeah! Okay, guys, just line up. We're just gonna chill here. Sharky! Ow! Dang, you got kicks. Oh, you Sharky has kicks. Ah, finally. So good to be on this couch. You won't regret it, cat. Well, it's time we said this couch is ours. Hell yeah. Well, guys, technically, he isn't dead. Someone just randomly flinged him. That doesn't count as dying. So you're telling me he's still alive? I think, but I think we should kill the rest of him in the next episode because I'm kind of bored. You know what? Yeah, let's kill him in the next episode. Let's just chill and do nothing. Yay, Sharky, go to sleep. Okay, guys, let's go to sleep. Yeah, let's go to sleep.